How you guys doing? Just doing another update on the truck camper repair up around the window. Got most of the framing out. I cut around there, pulled the wires out for the 1x3 here. So I found out where mainly the leak was coming from. Why there was so much water coming in, and if you see it started spreading here, I believe from this point it's okay. I might just go ahead and leave that, but see if you can see. The light coming in, I can't get a good grip of it. But so basically, the silicone here that covers here's the stripping on the outside. You see the screws coming in. The water was just pouring in here. There's no silicone left on there at all. On that side, here's the wood that was up there. It's just destroyed. It's so soaked. This side, they may be doing the same thing. This one's on this side. They put two pieces. So you got the outer piece right here that keeps the shape of the arch, and then you got the secondary piece. Well, that side only had the outer piece here, and then the screws coming in from the outside right here. It didn't even make the wood. It missed it. So I may go ahead and add another plywood like this, double it up, and then you got the framing here. So it started leaking on this side. It's not as bad as that side, so I'm just going to replace the paneling on this side too. It's still wet, so I think basically it's doing the same thing. That's silicone on the back side here, and it looks like someone was in there at one point, because you got adhesive or something in there, putty or something. So it's like someone was in there at one point in time trying to fix it or slow it down. So, but in order to get this wood out, you gotta take the stripping out here on the outside. May just go ahead and see how that is. Put the fan on overnight and see exactly how wet it is. If not, take it out. Figure out where the screws are. There's only, I think it's like 5-6 screws there. That screws that arch piece off. So these are, some of these are okay. I think there's one that was destroyed. Go to reinforce that, and then these screws, this goes to the framing that holds it in. So I'm gonna probably go ahead and grind these out and just put bolts in there, or screw it through this way, because there's a good gap. It's a good gap right here. It's like it hit the fiberglass or any of that stuff. Up here don't look that bad. I do. Right here, if you push on it, you can feel the air coming in. So I do got new lights coming in, and I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and take this out, the fiberglass, not the fiberglass, the foam. Go ahead and cut this out and see if I can scrape it off. Maybe, I don't know how bad this is gonna get out. Either put some kind of board up here, or just go ahead and put the thin piece of plywood I have. I don't have any up here. It's probably about this thick. It's not too thick. And just go ahead and put it behind this, and have it as a support for the lights, because as it is, it's not very, they're not in there that good. There's no foam around it. This one you can see, you can't see it too good. Screws right there. There's no support right there at all, and it'd be kind of difficult to put bolts there. Put a board on the outside, and then put a bolt through there every time, because then you have to hold it from both sides. So there's 3 lights here and 1 down the end. You see this one too. It's coming through there. So I gotta figure out a way to how to rebrace this. I don't know why they want to go up here to the framing. Instead, you get better support there and just go through that way. It's just a big mess. Alright, just want to update you guys and see exactly what I found. I did get a sheet of plywood to replace this. It does look like it's a stained around the windows. I'll just probably go ahead and scrape this off once the window comes out, or at least this trim piece here. I might just have to go and take it all out and just go ahead and put the putty all around it again. And so I'm gonna go ahead and seal that side up, put some more putty on it, and then some silicone around that arch, because like I said, it was just pouring in there. It was just so I think it was just pouring here and then coming down. So the camper's on a slope now because of the way the street is, and there's a vent in the corner there, and in the corner there that lets, you know, the underneath the area breathe. So when you will go push up on it, the water just come out. So this whole area was just drenched. I mean, if you can see light coming in like that, there's nothing stopping the water coming in. But the aluminum don't look too bad. I think I caught it before it got too bad. I'd say probably the worst part, I don't know if that's some of the glue still on there, the adhesive, or that's the rust. But some of the aluminum don't look bad. I do know on that one side they got wood inside of the aluminum. It's pretty wet. So I'm gonna do the best I can to seal it up, and then I'm gonna have the guy, when he reviews their RV, just take it all off. And I'm not really for sure to get the Lawanat, I believe it's called. I tried my best to find thin wood, and the stuff I got was the thinnest they had to put it in there, because I should be able to sit it in there and then have these pieces hold it down and then glue it on both sides. But I can't find anything that thin. Luwan, I think it's called, or whatever. I did find little pieces of it. Alright, well, that's it for now. If you guys have any suggestions where to find Lawanat or some thin plywood, let me know.